Hi, good evening. This is Vishwa from Hyderabad. I have completed my graduation in 2021 and joined Deloitte as a campus recruit. On a whole, I have 2.5 years of work experience as a Salesforce developer. So, when I have joined Deloitte, I was not given an option to choose my role. I was given a Salesforce developer role. When I was exploring other roles in a software development lifecycle, I personally liked automation engineering. So I was searching for various resources and I came across Cryo. I liked the concept of learning by doing. Hence, I joined Cryo and completed my 1 year of training. Currently, I am working as an automation engineer at Login Radius. I worked as a Salesforce developer and I don't want to confine myself to a particular software like SAP or Salesforce or ServiceNow. I always wanted to do something generic which gives me a wider range of opportunities. That is why I have chosen automation engineering. I would have gone towards full stack or backend development as well, but I personally like automation engineering because I have been working in Java and I know a bit about Selenium. I have been interacting with the QA members of our team and I believe that this role would perfectly suit me, so that is why I have came into this domain. I was searching for multiple resources online. I have seen many coaching institutes and many resources, and I liked how Cryo structured everything. Like the syllabus was on point, and I believed that learning this particular course would suffice. So that is why I have joined Cryo. So coming to the program, my ultimate goal was to learn Selenium with Java perfectly, and I also wanted a hands-on on other testing domains like API testing and performance testing, and I wanted to become good in my coding knowledge like the DSA and Java skills. So all these I was able to achieve through Cryo curriculum. I want to mention two things here. I like the concept of having regular assessments, and the project assessment was also there where we were asked to upload our project code in the GitHub and an assessment was run based on our code, and only if we clear that particular assessment we'll be moving forward. I particularly like this concept because this enables us to learn the things perfectly and complete everything before trying to learn a new thing. So this was good. Coming to the next thing, the DSA emphasis was also very good. The tutoring was, so clean that I understood right from the basics. So my main challenges were, since I'm learning a new technology, I had hard time in remembering things. So for that, what I have done is I used to revise things again and again. I used to revisit the sections which were taught and I practiced them in my local uh, editors as well. So this made me remember more things and become perfect in that particular domain. I was having mentor support calls regularly. I personally liked how he has guided me on my career path since I'm transitioning my career from Salesforce developer to a QA automation engineer. I had multiple questions raised in my mind, and all those were answered clearly by my mentor. At current point of time, I'm very happy that I have done what I wanted to do. I chose my passionate path and I have come here. I'm happy for that. I didn't want to be a guy who continues working in a role which he doesn't like. I changed that and I'm happy for that. Coming to my roles and responsibilities in my new job, I have joined a product based company and it has a wide range of curriculum and documentation to be covered. I'm currently going through the onboarding plan. I'm getting to know about the product and the tools which we use over there are Playwright with JavaScript. So I'm learning them parallelly and I'm excited to get started with my work. I want to say two things. Firstly, I want them to put their entire concentration on what they are learning and be good at completing the regular assessments and tasks. And secondly, I would recommend them to revise everything on a regular basis so that they would gradually become perfect in what they are learning and ultimately achieve their goal.